Hey guys, how's it going? It's Teacher Collins with Hi Owl Star. Today, we're going to learn to say I've got and I haven't got. Let's begin. I've got a kite. I haven't got a kite. I've got a teddy. I haven't got a teddy. I've got a boat. I haven't got a boat. I've got a board game. I haven't got a board game. I've got a skipping rope. I haven't got a skipping rope. I've got a plane. I haven't got a plane. I've got a ball. And I haven't got a ball. Do you guys remember the sentences of today? I've got and I haven't got. If not, you can go back in the video and watch again. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.